doctor near you po. Again, hindi lahat ng mga knee pain pareho. Hindi lahat ng knee pain makukuha sa mga medicines, food or diet or stretching. Definitely, there are injuries that need to be assessed by a doctor. So please see a doctor near you po, Ma'am Glinda. And that is one of the very common sakit sa tuway-tuway or kneecap, arthritis, and sakit sa lukon-lukon or back of the knee can be a meniscus. So, hope that answers your question. Shout out din to Sir Mar Freedom. Hi and good evening sa inyo. Again, don't forget to ask questions. You have mga questions about knee pain, about knee arthritis, or even mga injuries like ACL. Don't forget to message me where you are from and to answer all your questions tonight. Again, tonight's topic is why your knee hurts and a doctor's guide to pain relief without surgery sana, no? And yeah, what is the next question? Sir Rico, shout out to Sir Rico. Good eve, Doc Joff. I'm watching from Cebu. So, naka-perform nakabaog bridge enhanced ACL repair. So, okay ba na, Doc? So, Sir Rico, thank you for your question. Interestingly enough, relatively bago po yung tinatawag na BEAR or BEAR, also known as the Bridge Enhanced ACL Repair. It's very, very specific. Bakit specific? It's not for everyone na may ACL injuries. And what do I mean by this? The BEAR repair is very specific na kailangan acute makukuha yung patient, magagawa agad yung surgery. Recommendation is within 50 days na pag may ACL injury, usually pag partial tear or mid-substance yung tear, meaning kailangan nasa gitna, pwedeng ma-bridged enhanced na ACL repair po yan. You have a special na gamit that is used for these repairs. Again, if you are beyond 50 days ng injury, if hindi po mid-substance or partial tear, if meron pa kayong history of arthritis na sa tuhod din, hindi yan advisable po yung tinatawag na BEAR ACL reconstruction. BEAR ACL repair pala. The reconstruction is when we use yung hamstring graft. Yun po yung mga different grafts. Pwede yun yung tinatawag na mga gold standard for ACL po. So, again, every patient can be different. Patients who are considering BEAR repair, please read more about it. It's actually relatively bago and just has been FDA approved sa US. Dito sa Pilipinas, I'm sure that we also have our own FDA. You have to do your own research pag mga ganito po. But thank you for your question because yung mga injury sa tuhod definitely can cause yung knee pain. The ACL kasi is inside the knee. Ito po yung gitna ng tuhod. And if you see the center of the knee, ito po yung ACL po. Pag naputol po yan, then that is what the question was. Pwede bang ma-repair? Usually yung repair is may tahi, but it also has that marshmallow-like substance sa BEAR repair, no?